Hi dear students, welcome to our online classes. Today I am going to take up English subject. Dear students, in the previous class we done the reading activity about this lesson. Before starting to the explanation, I want to show you the beautiful rhyme about the picnic. Be ready to sing with that.
Come on, let's be quick. We are going on a picnic. It's a hot sunny day. We are excited to dance and play. Come on, let's be quick. We are going on a picnic. Put on sunglasses and hat. We are excited to sing and eat. Let's make a sandwich. Make a sandwich. Yummy! Let's cut the cake. Cut the cake. Yummy! Let's dance on the beat. Dance on the beat. Oh yeah! Let's play a board game. Play a board game. Yay! It's a lovely day. Now it's time to go up.
Dear students, hope you all enjoyed the rhyme. Now I am going to explain you the line by line. The first lesson, going for a picnic. Dear students, if I say or if we hear the picnic word, what will you feel? Yes, we are feeling very happy and exciting, isn't it? As like that, here is a one family is going to picnic. Before going to picnic, they are getting the ready. So, how they are ready? Everything we will come to know in this class today. It is Sunday. Usually, Sunday is a holiday for everybody. Samir is going for a picnic with his family. Here, Samir is a boy. He is going picnic with his family. Family in the sense, in the family, we can see the grandparents, parents, sister, brother, cousins, and others. As like that, here is a one beautiful family. It is belongs to the Samir. Grandfather tells Sarah to get the paper plates. See, in this family there is a grandpa, means he is the head of the family, and there is a girl, little girl Sarah. Sarah is a sister of the Samir. He tells Sarah to bring the paper plates. Paper plates are used in the emergency, like a functions and going picnic trip. Just we are using the paper plates, using and throwing. For that sake, here grandfather is telling to the Sarah to bring the paper plates. Sarah runs to the kitchen. When the grandfather told to bring her a paper plates, suddenly she runs towards the kitchen room to bring a paper plates. The paper plates are on the shelf. She picked them up. She gives to them to the grandfather. Means when she visit to the kitchen, the plates are located on the shelf, and she went and picked those paper plates and give to his grandfather. Grandfather says, "Thank you, Sarah. You are a good girl." When Sarah helps to the grandfather to bring a paper plates, and he says, "Thank you." See, whomever help us, whether those are elders or youngers, we should say thanks to them. Saying one thanks, it is going to build our bondage very strong. So here grandfather also convey the thanks to the Sarah and tell Sarah, you are a good girl. She is very good girl. The next line, Samir is helping mother to pack things. See here Samir also going to help his mother. See, you are also, I hope you are also going to help your mother in the kitchen room or to bring the something to your parents, isn't it? As like that, here Samir also going to pack the things. Means which are the things they are going to take to the picnic, so they are going to pack in that. Next, he asked mother, shall I pack the buns in the red box? Here the boy is going to ask her mother, mom, shall I put the things in the red box? Sometimes also you are asking to your mother, mummy, shall I bring that? Shall I put in this? Isn't it? As like that, here is a boy going to ask his mother to pack the buns in the red box. Okay. The next line, mother says, yes, Samir, thank you. When Samir is going to help his mother, she's telling thanks. Thanks means she is also conveying the thanks to the Samir. The next, Samir packs the buns in the red box. He asked his mother to pack up the buns and he done that work and he packed all the buns in the red box. Sarah packed the small cakes in the blue box. Here Sarah also packed the cakes in the small blue color box. Next we can see, go to the next page. Dear students, see next what happens. Grandmother makes sandwiches for everyone. Here the grandmother is made the sandwiches. Sandwich is a food which is made by the bread and vegetables. Then what are the vegetables she took in this? She takes the tomato, cucumber and the cheese sandwiches. Okay, cheese also she took here to prepare a sandwich. Then she packed them in a basket. She put all the sandwiches in a basket. Father carries the cricket bat to the car. He calls out, father carries the cricket bats. Father carries the cricket bat to the car. Means here the father is packing the things which they are taking to the picnic for their playing. He took the cricket bat in the car. He calls to out, Samir, please bring the cricket ball. It is in the toy box. Here the father is going to tell the Samir to bring a cricket ball it is in the toy box, he told. Samir runs to the toy basket. Means here Samir runs towards the basket and he pick up the cricket ball and football. He takes them to the car and he bring the balls and put into the car. Father says, thank you, Samir. He is here. The father also convey the thanks to the Samir because of his help. Father and Samir put all the picnic things in the car. They both packed the things in the car. Now they are go ready for the picnic. See, finally they done the all preparation to visit some places. So they packed everything in that. Finally they are ready to go for a picnic. Dear students, sometimes we are also going to the picnic, then we are getting the more preparation, like we are taking our clothes, things, food, isn't it? As like that, here is a family going to a picnic and they are getting the preparation to go for a picnic, isn't it? You also visit some places which is near for you and enjoy the day. Hope you students come to know the lesson. In the next class, I will meet you again. Until then, bye.